have this does up here in this table, playing field T8. He's going to have to climb up that shot pole, okay? Pick up the ball and bring it down safely. Very nicely done. Then it moves by itself. It's all programmed to do that, to move over to the second pole, the taller one, to pick up the golf ball, which is heavier. And it's going to make sure that it doesn't drop because of the weight of that ball. Okay, it has come down nicely, and all parts intact, and it does. Next, the final part is to go back to number 2, and he does it! Yeah! Well done.